Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Laview camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, before blaming Wi-Fi, you need to first of all check your phone's setup. During pairing, your phone must stay connected to the same network without switching. You can turn off the mobile data and any type of VPNs that you are using, and then you can open the Laview application and you can basically restart the setup. If your phone switches between during the setup, the camera will fail to connect. So you need to first of all make sure of this particular thing. Now you need to check the router channel and the congestion. Even on the 2.4 gigahertz, the crowded Wi-Fi channels can block the connection. If many networks are nearby, your router may be on a congested channel. So you can first of all log in into your router, then you can switch to a less crowded channels like 1, 6 or even 11. Then you can try connecting the camera again. Now features like smart connection, AP isolation and guest networks can also prevent the camera from connecting. So you need to make sure that you temporarily disable all of these features during the setup. Make sure that your network allows the devices to communicate normally. So you can try these methods and see if Laview camera is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.